students, in this chapter algebraic expressions, we have already discussed about basics of algebra and part A, that is addition operation on algebraic expression, and last two videos we had discussed about subtraction of monomials as well as binomial. So today's video is going to be about subtraction of trinomial. So let's get started. Students, as you know, whenever we subtract binomial as well as trinomial expressions, we follow some specific steps to subtract the given statement, the given expressions. So let's quickly recall all those steps that we have already discussed in last video. So here are the steps. Number 1, write the second expression. Number 2, write the first expression below second expression, that is vertically arrange the two expressions. In that way, the like term of both expression should be under one another, right? Now, the third step is log the sign of first expression and change them. And fourth one is subtract the two expressions horizontally and get the answers. Now here we will take a couple of examples to understand how we can apply these steps to subtract the trinomial expressions, right? So first of all, read the statement. Subtract the following expressions. Now here, subtract 4x plus 9y plus 7 from 10x minus 5y plus 2. Now which type of expression is this? Yes, you know, this is trinomial expression. Why trinomials? Because tri means three terms, right? So here, trinomial expression means which contains three terms. So this is trinomial expression. So here, this one is the first expression. So here you will write, underline this and you will write here 1. And here this one is the second expression. So underline this as well and write here number 2. And from means what? Second minus first. So again we will start our question by writing here second minus first. Now what was the first step? First step was to write the second expression. So here's the second expression, that is 10x minus 5y plus 2, right? Now here with 10x, no sign is there, that means which sign? Plus sign. So you will put here plus sign, right? Now what was the second step? Second step was that you have to write the first expression below second expression. In that way, the like terms should be under one another. And you can see here 4x is there, right? And you have to write this 4x just below the term with the variable x. So here it is plus 10x, and just exactly below 10x you will write here plus 4x plus 9y plus 7, right? So what was the third step? You have to log the signs of first expression. So we will log all these signs, right? So plus will change into minus, again plus will change into minus, plus will change into minus. Now here we will take a partition line for solving these expression, solving this subtraction, right? So here you can see that plus 2 and minus 7. We will take this sign, log, that sign that we have changed. This sign we will not take. So here plus and minus. So plus 2 minus 7, that means plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number, that is minus 5. So here you will write minus 5. So here you can see that, students, with 2 and 7, no variable is there. No literal coefficient is there. That means what? It is a constant term, right? So here you will write minus 5. Simple. Next, minus 5y and minus 9y. Again, you will take the numerical coefficient from here. Minus 5 and minus 9, you will write here. Minus sign of minus, add the numbers. And here you will get minus 14. And here you will write minus 14y along with the variable y, right? Next one is plus 10x minus 4. And here again you will write plus 10 and minus 4, right? So plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number. So 10 minus 4, that is 6. So here you will write plus 6, right? So answer is plus 6x minus 14y minus 5, right? Now move to example number 2. So here again subtract 2x square minus 3xy plus 5y square from 7x square minus y square minus xy. right? Now here you can see that I have changed the variable. Like before it was in x, y and constant. Now here I have taken x square, x, y and y square. So it doesn't matter. We can solve these two expressions with the same method that we had followed in the last example, right? So here 2x square minus 3xy plus 5y square, this one is the first expression, so underline it. You will write here 1, and 7x square minus y square minus xy, this one will be your second expression, right? Now you will underline from means what? Second minus first, right? Now we will follow the first step. What was the first step? That is, we have to write second expression. Which is the second expression? That is 7x square minus y square minus xy. So you will write here. And here you can see that in the statement with 7, no sign is there. So you will put here plus sign. And here minus y square is there. In the statement, no numerical coefficient is given to us. Only minus y square is given to us. So what will we do? We will put here 1. Why 1? Because whenever we are given with variable only and no numerical coefficient, then we will put there only 1, right? So here numerical coefficient will be minus 1, and again with x, y no numerical coefficient, again we will put there minus 1. Minus already given to you, and 1 you will apply here for numerical coefficient, right? Now next is you will write here first expression, and you have to be careful about the variables and the like terms. 7x square, under 7x square you have to write the term with the variable x square. So here it is plus 2x square, no sign, that means plus sign, so you will write here plus 2x square. Next one is minus 3xy, but here next one is y square, so you can't write here minus 3xy, so you will move further. So here it is minus 1xy, so just below minus 1xy you will write here minus 3xy. So now what is left? Plus 5y square. So you will write here plus 5y square. Understood? So what we will do, now we will follow the third step. That is, lock the sign and change them. So we will lock minus sign, it will change into plus. And here plus will change into minus and plus will change into minus, right? Now you know that we have to take the partition line and all the calculation, all the rough work we will do to the right side, right? So here we will take minus 1 plus 3 minus plus, sign of bigger term, subtract the number. So here you will get 2, and here you will write plus 2xy along with the variable that is xy. Next one is minus 1 minus 5. So minus minus, sign of minus, add the numbers. So here you will get minus 6y square. Next one is plus 7 minus 2, that is plus minus, sign of bigger term, subtract the number, that is plus 5. So here you will write plus 5x square. Easy? That's very easy example. So this is the answer of the given question, right? Now move to the next example. Now the example number 3 is subtract 5x square minus 2x plus 5 from 3x square minus 8x plus 2. Now again you will underline this first expression, write here number 1. Second expression, underline it, write here number 2, and from means what? Second minus first. So here we will start the question by writing here second minus first. So now second expression is this. So you will write here plus 3x square minus 8x plus 2, right? So now here you will write first expression. First term of this expression is 5x square. Again here you will see the like terms. So here you will write plus 5x square minus 2x just below minus 8x and plus 5 below plus 2, that is constant term, right? Now again we will lock the sign and change them. So plus will change into minus, minus will change into plus, plus will change into minus, right? So now again we will take a partition line here and do the calculation of this sum over here. Now plus 2 minus 5, plus minus, sign of bigger term is 5, so you will put here minus sign, subtract the number, so you will get minus 3. So write here minus 3. This is a constant term, so we will not put any variable along with it, right? So next is minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2 means minus plus sign of bigger term. Bigger term is 8 and with 8 minus sign is there. So by subtracting here you will get minus 6. So you will write here minus 6x, right? So next is plus 3 minus 5. So plus 3 minus 5, that is plus minus sign of bigger term. Subtract the number minus 2, right? So here you will write minus 2x square minus 6x minus 3. Clear? So this is the answer that actually we need to find by subtracting both this expression, right? Now move to the last example. Now here is example number 4. First of all, we will read the statement. Subtract 3x square minus y square from 5x square minus 2y plus 3y square. Now something is strange here, right students? Yes, you can see here the first expression is with two terms. And what we call the expression with the two terms, that is, yes, you know this, binomial expressions. Because binomial expression is that expression which contains two terms. So here two terms are there. So this will be called binomial expression. And here how many terms? 1, 2, 3. That means this is what? Trinomial expression. And here what we are asked to do, we are asked to subtract binomial from trinomial. So not to worry, we can subtract them with the same pattern, with the same step that we have followed in the last examples that we have just solved, right? So we will start our question. Underline this, you will write your first expression. Underline this, you will write here second, number 2, and from means what? Second minus first. So you will start your question by writing your second minus first. Write your second expression, that is plus 5x square with 5 no sign. So you will put here plus minus 2y plus 3y square, right? I have written already. Next is second. So here you can see that first expression is 3x square minus y square. So first term of this expression is 3x square. So you will write 3x squared just below the term with the variable x square. So here it is plus 5x square. Exactly below this term you will write plus 3x square, right? Next is minus y square. So you will write minus y square exactly below plus 3y square, because both these are like terms with the variable y square. Now here again the thing that we have just done now, whenever we are given with a variable with no numerical coefficient, then you will put there 1, right? So here minus sign is already given to you. You will put here minus and 1 for numerical coefficient. So which term in this expression is missing? Yes, here y term is missing. So you will put here 0y, right? So here you will write there 0y plus 0y. Now third step is to log the signs and change them. So we will log this minus and will change into plus, log plus and will change into minus, log plus and will change into minus. Now again we will take a partition line here and do the calculation of the sum over here. Plus 3 plus 1. So plus plus sign of plus, add the numbers. So here it is plus 4. So you will write here plus 4y square. So here the variable is y square. So you will write along with it y square. Next is minus 2 minus 0. Minus 2 minus 0 means minus minus sign of minus. Add the number 2 plus 0, that is 2. So you will write here minus 2y. Next is plus 5 minus 3. So plus minus sign of bigger term is 5 and with 5 plus sign is there. So you will put here plus 5 minus 3, that is 2. So here you will write plus 2x square minus 2y plus 4y square, right? Now students, these were very easy examples that we have just solved, and now I hope all of you are able to do the related homework that we have already sent to you in your Snap homework. But students, before starting your homework, please go through the YouTube links, because all these links will definitely help you for understanding all these type of questions in a better way. Thank you.